So I was following this guy online and he was saying that AI is taking over. And if you are on social media, the only thing you have to do was download an app and they would make videos for you, uh, write scripts for you, do everything for you. So I decided to give it a try. It was supposed to be $25 for a month. I went ahead and paid, and I noticed all my videos are white people and white voices. So right now, I'm still getting paid on YouTube, but in the future they might copyright that voice. So I'm not sure exactly how it's going to happen. But as far as AI, you only get 50 minutes. So they tell you it's $25 for the month, but you only get $25 an hour. Now, AI is something they created to basically get money. And I think it's going to fail because who's going to pay $25 for a robot to do the work? Even in school, people who have papers to write and all this and that, they only did a 3-minute video, and we need like at least 8 minutes. You can either do a reel or you can do a regular video. All my videos were 3 minutes. In some of my videos, I did 3 minutes, 3 minutes, and I added them together to make, six to close to eight. I didn't even get nine. Some of them were like a minute and 33 seconds. So to me, I don't like all this sci-fi things anyway. It's not real. We like human beings. We don't like robots. If they were actually doing really good work, I could understand keeping it, but I did cancel my subscription. But yes, I paid $25 for 1 hour of writing scripts. And it did say 50 minutes, but I didn't know if it's 50 minutes per you can get 50 minutes per video per day. No, it's 50 minutes for the month. So they say, okay, this is AI for, you get it for $25 for the month. But actually, if you are doing videos and you do 1 hour worth of videos, that I basically paid $25 for one day. And when they start doing the cartoons of you, it's not actually you. If you notice in my pictures, it's like different sets of eyebrows. I could see my nose, I could see my lips in a lot of the pictures, but the eyebrows, they was like, okay, this should be in another position. And the bodies that were on some of these people, it was like, okay, that's definitely not my collarbone. So AI is, I don't really like it. And then video after video was white people. But I'm obviously a black person that ordered this thing. And I'm thinking, if they get all of us to start using AI and paying them, like do it for you. And that just reminded me of how America was taken. You know what I'm saying? They was like, don't worry about it. We'll do it for you. So they started doing all this paperwork. And I thought about the Tea Party, how they was tricking people out of their position. So you got some millionaires that started from social media, some real life human beings that started from social media. So AI is saying, how can we stop these people from being millionaires? How can we stop them from watching each other online? Because that's how they win. So it's all set up in the destruction of the race. And it's like, it's no matter how we try to succeed or come up with new things, they try to find a way to stop it. Yeah, I always enjoyed. At first, I didn't understand why the kids were online all the time. But then I was in school and it was nothing to do, and then I just started social media, social media, social media. And I looked at my account today and I had been online for 15 hours. And I had just been I've been listening and paying attention, and people was like, "Oh, we make 30,000 a month. We do this and we do that." And I noticed, okay, it's young people, it's pretty girls, it's people who sleep in cars, it's people who sleep in vans. Like they have tribes that they follow, the gurus that they follow, and most of them are winning right now. So I was like, okay, maybe AI is taking over, but the way the scripts are being written, they give you information, but you could Google information yourself and just read it yourself. I don't see paying them $25 an hour. And I think it's going to fail because humans like human interaction, especially people like me. Like, I'm home alone, and I go online to look at, what somebody did that was funny. And it was so real that it was unreal. And you're thinking, like, a lot of the people we follow online are very loud, are very obnoxious. You could tell that they wasn't raised in a particular way, and it's like they don't even know themselves. And it's like a lot of things that we're laughing at them because we can't believe that they don't follow any rules. It's like the rule breakers. Like, the people, they are so obnoxious, it's entertaining. But I don't think a robot could ever write any scripts or do anything that would do what these people are doing. So I know for a fact that AI is not going to take the place of people. That's for one, because we are addicted to this entertainment. Like I said, I was online for 15 hours. We are addicted to entertainment. And I was looking through social media, and this girl said, "Oh, this is such and such school picture." And I looked at the picture, and she looked like a baby doll. And I was about to like and say, "Oh, she looks like a doll." And I was like, "Is this AI?"